Hi, it's Jan from Velomobile World. Today I'm together with Hannah. She's behind the camera. We had a question a couple of videos ago about the lift tables here on the, for you guys, right side. If you could tell something about it. So these tables start as a normal motorbike lift table, but we modify it a bit. For example, so this table is like this long and that long, and for us that part is not so useful, so we chop off the whole part. We chop off here, we chop off this part for the wheels here as well, and here we chop this part, and then we build up these two supports. So here, this is for the, from some models has like the chain tunnel. These tables are really useful for them because they can lift up and down. Then we made a couple of things, like they always need paper to clean. Have like a vacuum cleaner, really close by the hand. They have light, they have two sockets to charge something. They have here compressed air, but the compressor is off. So these kind of little things we made over the years to improve every time in order they have better work on the circumstances. In the beginning we had just one flat bed which would not go up and down, but if you stay whole week here assembly, it's really annoying if you cannot go up and down with the table. If you want to know something more or you have questions about this topic, let it behind in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe and have fun. See you next time. Bye bye.